If you own Amazon Echo Dot 4th Gen, unfortunately, we have bad news for you. Neither can you mount it on a wall, nor can you carry it from room to room because of its size. But don't fret, we have good news for you as well. Enter EchoFlex, a tiny plug-in speaker that enables you to utilize the features of Alexa in any corner of your home, may it be a bathroom, garage, or laundry room. It is an extremely affordable and functional device, and in this video, we will review this product and tell you, is it worth your money or not? So let's jump right in. Design-wise, it's a square-shaped device that measures 2.9 by 2.7 by 1.4 inches. On the back, it comes with a two-prong power plug. When plugged in, it looks almost like a smart outlet, except it has Alexa and mic mute buttons, small indicator lights, and two small grills for the internal speaker instead of outlet holes. If you want, you can charge up your device to a USB port that resides under the device. There's also a 3.5mm jack available on the side. The EchoFlex can do anything that other Echo speakers can, supporting the full range of Amazon Alexa features. Meaning, you can ask Alexa for general information like weather reports, daily schedules, and many more. Or you can command it to turn on or off any smart devices, make a shopping list, and accomplish 1,000 other convenient tasks. You can even ask Alexa to play music from Amazon Music, but this isn't the intended use of the device because of internal speaker's poor quality. But by connecting an external speaker through Bluetooth or a 3.5mm jack, you can significantly boost the sound quality. The USB port of this device can provide 7.5 watts of power that can not only charge your smartphone, but also let you connect additional accessories like nightlight or motion sensors very easily. The most amazing thing about this mini speaker is, it doesn't take up any counter space. That means Alexa can live in more spaces, out of sight and out of your mind until you need a question answered. As far as the performance goes, it worked exactly as intended. It lets us control our TP-Link custom smart light with just our voice. We could turn it on or off and dim the brightness without any hassle. The audio output of the speaker is such a letdown though. If we gave command from a bit far, we couldn't hear the response very clearly. Another thing is, it isn't waterproof, so before installing it in the bathroom, keep this fact in your mind. That being said, the poor quality of the internal speaker is almost irrelevant because this device is more about functionality than about features. It provides a convenient and affordable way to bring Alexa's voice control technology into your home. The plug-and-play design of this device is very simple and impressive. If you live in the Amazon ecosystem, then this device can be your perfect pick because no matter where you are, you can add this device if there's a power outlet by your side. Oh yes, it definitely is worthy of your money. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.